Emory-Outdoors here, and we came out and camped at Little Talbot Island. It was a beautiful evening. The temperature got down to 62 last night, so it wasn't freezing cold this morning, so that was nice. We had a good campfire last night, and then we cooked dinner, just had hot dogs and actually made chicken noodle soup, so that was good. And then this morning I got up and cooked some bacon and hash browns and eggs with cheese. Ooh, it was really good. Just enjoying the view here. I mean, look at this, how pretty this is. Definitely be going back here and camping. And I hooked something on the bottom. Oysters, probably.
Kids, like they don't. I mean, I guess they do, but like it's a very realistic.
Best result to my ass.
Well, I'm assuming that burned off really immediately.
It depends on what your desired result is.
Right.
Maybe my desired result is to look really cool for 10 seconds. I don't want to do that.
An honorary shot for both of us.
Yeah, because I think I could get sick tonight if I had.
Cheers.
Cheers.
I don't remember if I've tried any of that limoncello stuff. Yeah.
Walk through like the Red Sea. Alright, twist my normal snag a piece. Yeah. Thank you.
Definitely gonna come fish here. Still got 2026 calendars available on my Etsy page down below, so make sure and check those out, and stickers. And then I've got a camping gear list on my coffee page. It's a free download. If you want to make a donation, that'd be awesome, but the download's free. And that's kind of a list that I use for when I go camping, just to make sure I've got all my stuff. I keep my camp chuck box, and I'll have a video posted by the time you see this one. But the chuck box I keep packed all the time. And since this was just a short overnighter, last night we washed the dishes, and I've got some pans in there that we heat water with, so we can wash the dishes with hot water. This morning we're just going to pack them up in a bag and take them home and wash them. It's way easier. So just to wrap up real quick, camped at Little Talbot Island out here on the Marsh. Bugs were pretty fierce at sunset, and then after the sun came up this morning they were pretty bad. A little bit of bug spray took care of that though. It's low tide right now. You can see the marsh and the oyster beds out there. It's really pretty. The campsites are far enough apart that, you know, there were some people camping next to us and couldn't hear them at all. They had a campfire going and they were talking, and wasn't any bother at all. It was nice. Sam and I are driving home. Had a really nice camping trip. What'd you think, Sam?
I liked it. It was a pretty good spot, except for the bugs.
Yeah, but I believe that would have been anywhere.
Yeah.
Just, you know, because the temperature's just right.
Mm-hmm.
We haven't had that first hard freeze yet to kill them, so.
Right.
Food was good.
Mm-hmm.
Did you sleep good in the back of your truck?
Yeah, pretty good.
Yeah, Sam's got quite the setup. We built a little bed, fits in the back. Well, got some pictures for video, you know, but yeah, it was pretty cool. I had the tent.